This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with their closing grain and livestock comments for June 18th, 2018. Corn market down 5 1/4 to 5 1/2. Soybeans up 1 to 3 cents. Chicago wheat down 9 to 13. Minneapolis down 7 and 9 1/2. Minneapolis, as I just said, down 7 and 9 1/2. Kansas City down 19 to 20. As you look to the trade today, a couple risk off due to tariffs, along with kind of the market getting comfortable with what China really is going to come back and retaliate with. And also a couple good weather as another component that adds some risk to this equation, or at least puts some pressure back on the market. So it's a get me out type attitude right now for the funds and some kind of small spec longs. They're washing out of the markets. I think we're getting closer to this low here. We've talked about this 363 area of importance off the December. We've talked about the importance here of around this 940 level, which we're now below here in beans. But as we kind of look back at these charts, you know, getting down to 928, 935, this range here is not uncommon for these price counts. But the next count of 881 seems like a pretty lofty count. It seems like you're going to need some more news along the way. So we'll see how this all digests. Obviously, you could be one story away from the market reversing very quickly. I don't see weather conditions changing. So weather's going to continue to be one of those bear catalysts. But when you couple the tariffs as a bearish rate now, that could transition into something maybe more bullish if we can work something out. Will that be in 2 days, 2 weeks, 2 months, or 2 years? We'll see how this all comes together. But we firmly believe China will need to be in here in August buying U.S. beans, and that means I think they're going to try to work something out here by July 6th. But can either party save face now? It seems like we're into this, and we'll see just how long it drags out. Feeder cattle today up 40 to a buck. Live cattle up 12 1/2 to 55, hogs up 65 to $2. So a good showing for the meats today despite this news. Hog market trying to stand back up here a bit and trade into this 83 area. So we're right up against this 82 to 84 resistance area. I think that's where this July will kind of settle out. Can the back months follow? They've struggled to this point, so we'll watch that closely here as we work ahead. We do have a cattle on feed report this week for the cattle. On feed forecasted at 103.6 by some estimates right now. Placements at 94.4 and marketing's at 105.1. This is just one of the prominent ones around the industry, but we'll keep you posted as the whole industry averages start to come together, but at least gives you a taste of what to expect. That's coming out on Friday, cattle on feed and cold storage, so we'll watch those details. Calf's going to be important this week and we'll set the tone, but a nice day for the cattle and hog markets. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.